Level 6. Level 7.
The contactless holographic display allows people to pick a floor without touching the elevator button. It helps to avoid the risk of possible infection from touching a contaminated surface.
The technology can be applied to basically any equipment with a screen. For example, the self-registration and payment machines in the hospital and ticket-selling machines at railway stations.
正在消毒，请勿靠近。
These disinfection robots have also been upgraded. They can now operate for 7 to 8 hours on a single charge.
Our disinfection robots are now equipped with sensors for PM2.5 and hydrogen peroxide. The robot will stop disinfecting a targeted area when the hydrogen peroxide reaches a certain density.
Another company developed an AI model to provide weather forecasts for aviation. It can even detect the slight differences between the two ends of each runway, while traditional modeling can only provide a general forecast within a range of 3 to 5 kilometers.
The model allows the airport to make better arrangements for flights, so there will be less last-minute cancellations.
The model has been used by CAAC's East China Region Administration and will provide weather information for airports including Pudong and Hongqiao Airport. The China-Shanghai International Technology Fair will be held from Thursday to Saturday at Shanghai World Expo Exhibition and Convention Center. Over 1,000 companies are taking part in the fair. Zhang Hong, Shanghai Live.